In this screencast, we're going to discuss how to upload your stories, your contes de fées, to PowerSchool. If you'll come to the assigned date, May 1, you should have a little indicator here that says contes de fées. I'm going to open this one up, contes de fées. This is F-Blocks. And if I scroll down here, it gives me the options of groups. So I'm going to select Group 1 as a green dot. And what I want to do when I get this prompt, first page, edit content block, I'm going to select that. When I get this next prompt, on page text is what I'm going to select on the second page. When you have your create text block, you need to give a title to it. So I'm going to put contes de fées Jervis. And you can either put contes de fées or the title of your contes de fées. And then if you have a partner, you should put your partner there too. Then you're going to click into the actual content box, and you're going to paste your story in here. So I don't have a story to paste in, and I'm just going to write voici mon conte de fées. J'espère que vous aimez. And then when I finish that, I'm going to select Save, which is in the bottom left corner. As you can also select the positioning. I didn't indicate where mine was going to go, so it shows this. My contes de fées is over on the side, but you can also choose to be in the center. You can create extra blocks if you want to add photos or images that you've created for your story there, or you could have included them just on your as part of your text. Let me know if you have any questions.